let me start at the fundamental. We are looking for entrepreneurship development. This course is, the name is Executive General Management Program. Correct? You are all going to get a certificate that you have done Prudent Executive General Management Program. What does executive stand for? People who are actually working. It means you are executing the work. You are not a student. You are not a job hunter. You are a career planner. So the name is Executive General Management Program. General means it connotes a lot of meaning for people. Correct? General here, what we mean is which is everywhere. Not like a general science. In school we used to study general science. Means there physics, chemistry, biology all are put together. Then when you come to high school and college, we divide it into physics, chemistry, mathematics. Correct? So that means we are doing everything in totality. These executives who want to become general in all aspects of the management program we are doing. Okay. So this is a differentiation from regular run-of-the-mill courses. This name is an incognito name for entrepreneurship development course. It is basically an entrepreneurship development course. That means we want to develop business leaders. Our dream after doing this course is that you should all become business owners. That is our intention. So we have adopted a methodology for doing that. Okay? So this is our concept. That means we don't want at the end of the course all of you to again go back to what you were 1 year back. Your mindset, your attitude, your skills all should modify to such an extent that you should become independent of any job. Agree? That is what is our agenda. But we can't do it in a random way. So we need a structure to do it. And questions we asked ourselves is that, no, had I known something earlier, I would not be cautious.
That's true. That question.
Had you known that drinking some bad water is good, no, is bad for your health, you would have paid 30 rupees and bought a good bottle of water. Correct? Inadvertently we do a lot of mistakes and repent at a later stage. Otherwise somebody had told me it is one way, somebody had told me it is this way, you are going in a wrong way, no? Then you would have taken a cautionary step. So we are bringing here that type of expertise where, no, people who come here and address you are all mature people who will say, I have done that job, I have burnt my finger. That is the criteria for selection of the people who come in. They are not ordinary MBA college lecturers, no, who are regular institutes like IIM or ISB. They are hired, no, for their academic, no, grounding. Here, people who come here are all people who have done the job. That means you have their experience as a takeaway from this. Agree? So you have to use their tacit knowledge, as I told you. Hidden knowledge, you should unearth it. So we wanted to keep that as a vision in front of us and then to design the course. That's why we have designed as an executive general management given by people who have already done certain work, so that knowledge is available to you. After 1 year, you should not come and depend, no? Had I known, I would have done this. Clear? So this is the broad picture which I wanted all of you to keep it in mind. Second aspect what I wanted to tell you is that you have to wear a different cap when you sit here in this table. You know, all of you have heard of Edward de Bono. You have not heard Edward de Bono name? Not her?
De Bono is an institute. That's what
I'm very surprised. Okay? Edward de Bono is the topmost, highest paid consultant in the world. He's an authority on creative thinking. Okay? Because everywhere, no, people ask him creative, no? He is an authority on how to be creative. That's a challenge for us. Edward de Bono is an authority on this. No, he has written a lot of books. One book which I would try to recommend at this point, you know, 6 Thinking Hats. 6 thinking hats. That means he has given different, no, like a role, no, like an actor, no, you wear different characters. Actors wear different characters. That's how they become a part of the character. The script is given, but they wear a different. The personality itself will change according to the character. Amir Khan, you know, he wears the character and he does something. You should wear the have what hat you are going to wear is, no, is that I am a CEO of the company. I am a CEO of the company. This is my problem. Today I am recruiting people. How do I? Understood? So, but we are all not fortunate as of now to call ourselves as CEOs. So what solution we have got for you? No? You have to identify. This is a project I am giving you for the end of the year. That's why I am telling you, had I known, you should not tell. Please note down your assignment for the end of the year.
End of the year meaning end of the course?
End of the course you have to submit the project. I am giving you a lead time of nearly 1 year for you to complete this project. Okay? What is the project? You have to give me a business plan. You have to write how to write a business plan. Not how to write a business plan. You should give me one business plan.
it's a big picture or
Complete business plan. Today itself you should identify. Okay?
Business plan to start my own organization.
Yeah, your business plan. At the end of the year, suppose I am telling you are graduated, that day we'll have gown and all, no? We'll put a gown, we'll give you that cap. Okay, all things we will do. At that time you have that certificate in hand. You should have one certificate will be Executive General Management certificate, obviously. Another one, what I wish you to carry is, no, is your business plan. That is your own creation. All of you got it? By the end of the year, you should carry your business plan. I am giving you the details also. It should be 100 pages. Here, that is your project. To do that business plan, we are going to help you. Agree? This will be your own personal business plan. Now, how do we do it? Today itself, you are going to identify 3 industries. You are going to identify 3 industries. Three industries you are going. One industry is FMCG. One industry you will identify, which you like. FMCG. What is FMCG?
Fast moving
Fast-moving culture.
Okay. One industry you are going to identify. One industry you are going to identify as a consumer durable. One is a FMCG, one is a consumer durable or what we call white goods. Okay? Third will be one capital goods. Which you like.
Industry meaning, I don't know, company or industry? Like you are given three industries.
Company.
You have to identify one company in three industries.
This is broad sector. One company,
Market, right? FMCG.
Marico.
Yeah. So like you need to identify one company in each of the three sectors.
Yeah. Three segments are
Means
given.
what company means what we are thinking to build.
Yeah.
It should be belongs to either of the.
No, I'm not coming to that. You finally will design that, but first 6 months you are going to work on this. I'm giving you how to start. The end is to give me a business plan. But before that, you should know the steps I'm giving you. These are the steps you should follow to write that business plan. You should not prepare to write a business plan. No, you just can't write a business plan. So first, step to write your business plan is start identifying 3 companies which you like most, which you are going to track the stocks. No, you are going to have some good company which you say, no, I want to invest my money. Correct?
Sir, we have to take existing company
Yes, of
yeah.
course.
in this, and we need to come up with our own company competing with this company.
Yeah. Not compete. We'll come to that later.
Okay.
I'm setting the agenda for you. The expectation at the end of the year is a business plan. But you can't, I will not allow you to do some random work. I am going to curtail your thinking also. Otherwise, you will go wayward. You will go here and here.
Service industry.
Okay. Keep on service industry also.
Sir, capital goods means which industry?
Okay, instead of capital goods, you take service industry.
What is capital goods industry?
Yeah,
Capital goods industry means no like
BHEL.
which require heavy investment. For example, Airtel, a service, like which involves a lot of investments. Whether return on investments will be of a very long duration.
BHEL, those kind of-
Metro,
Yeah.
Bangalore Metro is a capital
Capital.
type of industry where you don't get return on investment over time. But it is a huge opportunity, but we are not into that. Power plants, how to set up a power plant, so many wind. Why I wanted to do this? No, you take service center also. This is a broad idea I'm giving you. I'm giving you freedom. Okay, because now a lot of solar energy is coming up a lot. Okay, solar industry, wind power industry. So many things are coming up. So I want you to broaden
Sir,
it.
generally this kind of industry will be handled by the government.
Yeah.
If you talk
No.
about the Reliance, Airtel,
Yeah.
okay, the rich people are there who have started with these companies. But if you talk about metros and all this was handled by government, right?
Till now it is not a public-private partnership is coming. Anybody can start a power plant. It need not be government. Steel plants, power plants. Agree?
I have a question. Okay, this is very good. This one I feel
Yeah.
because at the end of the course, like at least we'll be having all the with this theoretical knowledge, we'll be us, implementing, try to use that knowledge to creating our own business. But what is that from? What is that I expect from the Executive Management Institute to support this?
Yeah, that's the support. I'm coming to that. I'm setting an agenda for that. Don't come and sit in the class like a student. That's my first breakthrough thinking process. Agree? I'm coming to this. That's a question which I want to address.
So one more thing what we can do is we can select any of these domains, FMCG, consumer durable, okay? We can actually go to that industry, have a look, have interaction and prepare one report so that the report will be helpful for us to prepare.
No, we do. I know the time constraint also. I'm coming to that. I'm giving you the sketch. Then you do whatever treatment. So you want to, you should give me, all of you should give me a list, maybe by the month end. Which are the industries you have selected? Three industries. Okay. Then you should give me what you should do now is for the next 2 months, for the next 6 months, whatever period, when you have one more review meeting, because I want every day to visit that website of that company. You have chosen the company, no? You should visit every day the website of that company. The job is to be every day log in. My 3 companies, okay? Log into the website, go through the contents of the website. First 1 month you will be going through the website only because so much of content will be there. Because all of you are choosing good scripted company, it should be listed in Bombay Stock Exchange.
It's Indian
We
company.
are not going to choose some Toda Moda, okay?
Indian company.
Indian company. You are going to read the website of all. First 1 month you are going to read in all the content in that web page.
One company per person or
No, 3 companies per person.
You should have 3, he will have 3, he will have 3.
It need not be the same or
Preferably not.
It may not be same. So many companies, hundreds of companies are buying one. I know, I will moderate that. You are going to report, no, that you are going to visit all the company websites. First 1 month you will simply read all the content in the website of your chosen company. Next, you are going to track the stocks of that company. Okay, share prices.
But the final thing is only one business plan.
Finally, you will be giving one plan.
Okay. To achieve this, this is the steps we want to achieve.
You have to step. Okay? Understood? You are going to monitor the stocks prices, how the stocks have been moving for the next 1 year of your 3 companies. That is one way of like, in other words, I am incognito what I do, you are the owner of that company. If you are a owner of that company, you will be watching how that company has been. For example, if you invest some money into that company, you know what is happening in that company. Understood? These concepts should reflect in your business plan. Ultimately, about business plan, I want a working model website for your business, dream business. Give that document to someone, no? Somebody should be able to develop a website for your data business.
these companies, what we are going through, we are like outsiders watching, so we will not be having that much information.
No, you need not have.
No.
You are going to develop your own perspective of that business. Ultimately, understood? First 6 months you are going to do this. What is that? By the month end you are going to give me the 3 industries which you have identified. Then next 1 month, because I know the shortage of time, you don't have all the program. So we give for the MBA student full-time job, they have given a part-time job. Okay? Then watch it, watch the stock prices. By the time you do this much, you would have reached our financial management advanced topics. By the time you have done, you have completed 6 months of our coaching foundation, you will be preparing for the advanced topics. When we come and discuss the advanced topics, you will be able to use this as your case analysis. Do you understand? When Harisha will come and teach you the stock market analysis, you should be able to understand your own company, how the stocks are moved, what is happening to your own dream company. Clear? This is one task which I am giving to all of you. But now, by the end of the year, you are going to prepare a business plan in such a detail that one should be able to prepare a website and put it on the post. Further steps are there which I will be posting you through email. Steps in writing the business plan. Okay? I am going to give you the step-by-step method to how to write a business plan. How to choose a name of your company. It all starts with name. Who will be your partners? Who can be your supporting people? From where you can get the money? how to raise the money. All these things will be coming to you in my mailers. So that by the end of 6 months, you would be able to write a business plan. I can't ask a theoretical question, correct? I should give you the content to work on, so I am giving you the content. This much is clear to you what is expected from you for the end of the year. Okay? But before that, step by steps are there. Second point, all of you are on Facebook.
Yes.
All of you are on Facebook. LinkedIn, obviously you must be on LinkedIn. We'll have a Facebook, why I am telling you. No, there's a page I have created.
It's all connected.
Yeah, what is that page?
No, I'm there.
No, you don't read. I am not advocating for the Facebook. Don't make friends with others. It is a waste of time. Okay, but come and like PMI page. I have got a page, Product Executive Management Institute page. You like that? In that, every week I will be posting 1 or 2 interesting articles, which I feel which is relevant for all this group. But we want to make it a public thing so that we should be able to come up in search. So more and more we create or more blogs we write, then only our SEO optimization will take place. Understood? You read the article and comment on it. That means I get a feeling that you have read the article. These are all time-saving devices I am doing because we don't get much time to interact with you. Because I had some spare time, I am using this time. Because usually I don't have even 1 minute to talk to you. Because professors will be fighting for your time. Your mind share, correct? Gundurao doesn't want to give even 5 minutes time to me. Because he wants to take your mind for that. So since I got now, I am giving you all this. So we will be interacting through my web page of PMI, Product Institute. Okay, then we will be in touch with you. Understood? Okay. Third point which I wanted to tell you is that we are going to have, if you see your content of the syllabus, last I have put capstone courses. All of you have got a brochure with you, or it is in the web, you can download it. If you go to our website now, you can download it, this content. We have put capstone course. What is a capstone? What is a capstone? Everybody knows? General knowledge question.
It's the identity of the king. It's actually the king of all. It's a major, prioritized, highest.
It's a stone. It's a stone. Yeah. It's a stone. By the name itself, no. It's a stone. See, you are all engineers, no?
Foundation.
You have seen the bridges, correct? Railway bridges.
Foundation.
Bridges. Okay? So the bridge, used to have these arcs. Okay? So this weight will be carried here. So if you see this anywhere, both the like a building, there will be one stone which is at the center of that arch. That is the important stone which carries the entire weight of that bridge. And it distributes that weight to this arc. No, it's a static force only, but that stone is so important, that's why it's positioned so carefully, center of the arc, so that the weight uniformly gets distributed to the span of that bridge. If you remove this stone, you need not remove all the stones, the whole bridge will collapse. Understood? That is the importance of capstone. We have put 2 capstone courses here. One is called Business Perspective and Analytics. Another one is Futuristics.
Sorry?
Futuristics. F-U-T-U-R-I-S-T-S. If you see anywhere, any institution, These two subjects are not mentioned in any of the IIM or ISB.
But we haven't seen this.
Huh?
We haven't seen these two in any other prospectus.
You go to any university anywhere in India, you don't see this because they have not come to that level. They are yet to come to that level. Understood? So we are preparing you for that. Ultimately, what is the futuristics? I'll give you one simple analogy. It is something called creating scenarios. It's like scenario building. That is a very important task for any business leader. Okay? It's like scenario building exercises which are very, very complex and requires a lot of thought process, thinking process. So nobody wants to do thinking job, correct? Thinking is a very strenuous job, nobody wants to do that. But we encourage you to take it to that direction. Okay? Ultimately, our goal is to prepare you for that scenario building and futuristic courses. So if you follow that PEMI page, I will be preparing you for these two subjects. Which one? Business perspective and business analytics combined with futuristics. But I can't have time to come and meet you as often which I would like to meet you, but you have to go through this content, whatever is in the PEMI postings.
It is available through Facebook.
Yeah. Understood? So, I am cutting short a lot of my time and your interaction time so that whenever you have time, you have got no time and liberty to do it. Because we have to optimize the time. You don't have all the time in your world to do it. Clear? So, you are coming, understood capstone courses, which is the pinnacle of support courses. Now, the stones I told, in the arc of the bridge are all these subjects. One stone is called finance, another stone is called marketing, another stone is called HR, another stone is called operations. If you put all the stones together, then PEMI will complete. What we are doing, you asked the important question of PEMI. We are preparing these 4 blocks for you. We are preparing these 4 stones. Before you build a building, you prepare for the stones, cut it for the size and then place it. So you are going to do these 4 blocks of what is called HR, marketing, finance and understood? These 4, if you take any organization, is built on these 4 pillars. It will be a marketing department, there will be an operations department, there will be a finance department, there will be an HR department. If you go through these 400 hours of delivery, you will be ready to write the business plan. Because your organization will be requiring these 4 stones to build. These 4 stones are required to build your organization. What is that? How to set up the marketing department for your company. How to set up a HR department for your company. How to set up a finance department of your company. How to take care of day-to-day operations. Understood? So, this will be the theoretical knowledge which will be given to you by the content. Understood? So, any course will have 3 objectives. Any course will have 3 objectives, components. One is called content. Content, books we are going to give you, PPTs we are going to give you, case studies we are going to give you, correct? It's called content, which is available to everyone, anywhere. Any university graduate can buy the book, anybody. PPTs may not be available, but content is available in the world. No dearth for content, correct? Every day you can attend a seminar, correct, Naika? Every day there will be one seminar going on, there is no, but we should know what to pick up.
Actually, this whole content is available more and more.
Yeah, HBR is there, Fortune is there, so many things, we are flooded. Content is available. We are going to give you some content which is tuned to your level. We are not going to give you talk about research articles. We are not going to discuss about consumer behavior research articles. We are going to discuss at your level what is to be done. So content is given to you. Delivery is a different technology altogether here. Finally, evaluation and testing. 3 components are there in any course. What are they? Content will be there. There will be some delivery mechanism. There will be some evaluation process. For example, all of you might have heard of MOOC, no? Massive Open Online Courses. So many YouTube lectures are there, no? Coursera is there. So many courses are there. What is their problem? They are going to give you the content.
One side.
Delivery is happening somewhere else. Correct? IIMs are also conducting e-learning courses. So many courses. What they have got? They say we have got content which give you through email, but and the evaluation methodology. Understood? Any course will have these 3 components. What we are going to talk to you now is about, no? Content is given to you. Delivery is done face to face. That is the USP of our course. Our course, because he already has got experience, correct? He registered for one online course and he felt books will come, he can't concentrate, correct?
Yeah.
In bits of your family affairs, your work pressure. So it's always better you are forced to come here and you have made some contacts. This is motivating you to come for week after week, correct? So that is the speciality of our course. Otherwise all of you could have registered for any, like Calcutta courses. So many courses are there. But here the advantage is 9:30 it will ring in your head, correct? Saturday itself you will be preparing. There you have to attend a class at 9:30, you do time management. Agree? So it's pushing you. So delivery is unique. And coming to evaluation and testing, every student dreads this, correct? Every student dreads testing, correct? What is this exam? I escaped from the university. Again you are going to pull me back for testing, correct? So don't worry about testing here. Testing is done in 2 aspects here. One is that you are all mature people, that's one. There are 2 things. One is quality control, another is called quality assurance. What is the difference?
Quality assurance is bringing the practices to define what the quality control is. Quality control is that adhering to those processes.
Quality control is process control. Quality assurance is
Make sure deliver
Process
planning
definition.
those processes.
Process definition.
proof.
Okay, fine, I understand.
Assurance means
Proof.
proof. Where is the proof? At the end of the year, people will ask you, where is the proof? You have done, you say I have done 1 year
Yes.
Executive General Management program. People will say, give me a proof. You have to show a certificate.
Yes.
Certified by proper authorities. That's a proof for another person. But our responsibility is to assure to the third party who is unknown to us, correct? We don't know who is going to use that certificate, that you have gone through this scheme of things. Is our responsibility, correct, doctor? We have to assure somebody who is going to pick you up that you have gone through the process. Because tomorrow you will be hiring some people who may be passing out a PMI. Chances are there. Alumni network. That's how alumni network. Yeah, I know what is delivered there. Correct? I can rely on that. But agree? Quality assurance and quality control are 2 important ingredients for any course. Because we are satisfying a third party requirement. Agree? So what we have done is, we have given 50-50 chances for you. 50% is for your assignments. which is in your control. Correct? You have your own time, because no time bar is there. You have to do your assignments properly. Okay? That's your 50% is already with you. Another 25% will be what is called your test. Because we have to give you tests because we want to understand how the faculty has done his job. It is both the question of faculty as well as student. Has to understand, because I come and teach you, I should know what I have delivered, how much I have given, my capacity to impart the knowledge to you. Understood? And then another 25% marks will be for your these three. Have you gone through our logo?
Yeah.
Attitude, can do attitude. All of you should say at the end of the year, I can do it. That's the symbol for can you. I can do it. Can do. And then skills. Teamwork. Every assignment, you are mingling, trying to understand another your colleague, correct? Skills. Attitude, skills and knowledge. This will be another 25%. Agree with you? So this is a concept which we have been working for this. And everything will be transparent here. Transparent in the sense, whatever test papers you are going to write will be given back to you. As I told you, conventional university and our differentiation, there somebody will set the syllabus, correct? Somebody will teach, somebody will give you marks, and they will announce. You don't know what happened. So here, you will be given back your answers. You know where you stand, and there are umpteen chances given to you to increase your score.
Test will be of subject to type, and we can discuss among ourselves and we can
We will give you depending on the subject, which can be open book, which can be closed book, all will be discussed with you. Everything is discussed with you here. There is no surprises. The advantage what we want to give you is that there will be no surprise element. Everything will be pre-informed. Understood? Ready for this challenge? Clear? So that at the end of the day, when we certify that you are an executive general management from Prudent Institute, it should be so authentic, internally as well as externally. Correct? Internally, you will be able to write a business plan and take out a company with you when you leave the course. Your own company you will be taking. Externally, you will be having one good certificate recommended by the professors who teach you. And at the end of the day, here, your asset will be a good recommendation letter from the professors who teach you.
along with certificate we will get the recommendation.
You should get, you will not get, you should get.
Can we share our work and assignments like in LinkedIn or anywhere into our? Can we share that? Like what is that morning star or this thing? Can we ask some questions to outside?
No, what we mean to say is LinkedIn groups are there, okay?
No, we are not. Our own is a very, very selective group here.
No sir, if you have any doubts, for example...
Don't go outside this group.
Okay.
It's a very, very high-end group we are creating here. Okay? All knowledge is within this group. This is our proprietary knowledge like that. Because now ultimately what I am telling you, have to take your business plan, correct? Okay? We are not doing things for charity, please, because we want to make money. At the end of the day, we want to make money. Let us be very clear about that. All of you, we want to become rich. That's why we are in business school, correct? We otherwise could have been in Ravi Shankar Ashram. Understood? So business requires some confidentiality. Business requires some attitude. Some sort of a cleverness is required. We'll teach you as you go by that. Understood? So you are understood how you will be evaluated. what for you are evaluated, why we are doing all these things is an autonomous mode. We are doing this in an autonomous mode because very difficult to explain to other people what is autonomous. Autonomous brings you two edges. One is authority as well as responsibility. To give me an authority to do whatever I want, but I am responsible also. Coming to your question, you will not be given a certificate, you have to get a certificate. There is a lot of difference between getting and giving, right? You should impress your professor so that he
So that
believes
he will
you.
recommend, he will give the recommendation letter that he is so good in so.
Yeah, provided you satisfy him.
Interested.
Provided he is satisfied. That should be your testimonial to wherever you go to some place. Because that person will have confidence to call Professor Gundorao. Sir, this Arun Kumar was a student for you and he has scored such and such a marks. How I have observed him for so many. Can I take him? That is the way you are going to get head hunting. You are not going to apply for the job. You will be head hunting. Instead of you applying for a job should come to you. That's called head hunting process. That's where we have to promote the institution and your candidates also. Finally, we are looking for some stars in this group which will track this institution forward. Correct? One success story is good enough for us.
With the affiliation, like
Yeah.
ASCP, what is the criteria generally? Is it money or just kind of
See, there are in this
scale of the institution?
what is happening is, I tell you.
Political.
No. AICTE is All India Council for Technical Education, where engineering degree has to be given. You require laboratories. For example, hydraulics, you need a hydraulic laboratory. Electrical, you need an electrical laboratory. DC machine, AC machine. No, you should have that. At least the laboratories should be there. Correct? Classroom anybody can show. The lab you cannot show. You have to build the equipment. So, but I say I am a good engineering college. They are supposed to come and inspect whether the lab is there or not. It's a technical. No, I can't run an engineering college. Correct? Can I run an engineering college? No, they require electrical lab, mechanical lab, hydraulic lab. I need a tensile testing machine. One tensile testing machine should be there, where no students will do the experiments. Agree? Electrical lab, electronic lab, computers, all are required, and they have got certain norms. For this many students, this many computers, for this many these things, like Indian Medical Association. So they are going to come and certify that. But that is the infrastructure is concerned. For example, 10 students are there, 10 desks are there, must be at least. So that is what does minimum infrastructure assurance. But they cannot assess the
Course
quality of the professors. Physical infrastructure, they have got parameters, but they can't assess the quality of the professor. That's why you see, AICTE approved, but the quality is substandard. I can invest a lot of money to buy the equipment and show, but can I bring professors? Understood? AICTE problem is that. What has happened is that AICTE is for the engineering courses, but unfortunately in our country we don't have people. So they staggered up MBA also into them, but they can't evaluate an MBA course. The MBA course is evaluated by the output of the candidates. It cannot be learned here. Correct? You have to implement it somewhere to get the benefit. So AICTE and UGC are all bodies which are meant to evaluate the infrastructure. 100 engineering seats means whether infrastructure is there. As far as management education is concerned, there are two courses. One is regular MBA. 2-year full-time MBA, that is for the freshers who want to get a job. They will go through that stream. Apart from that, there is no other regulation. In India, if you want to get a graduation, it's a 2-year full-time course which will be. That's called 2-year full-time. But 2-year full-time is a futile exercise as far as our experience. For somebody who are already working to come and again go for 2-year full-time. Correct? Who can do that? Impossible. Correct? Who can do quitting a job for 2 years and coming back? That's why 1 year courses have become introduced, because executive time is very costly, no? You can't forego your salary, experience and break and come here. So 1 year courses are popular. 1 year courses don't come under the purview of this type of institutions. Here MBA is known by the quality of the students who pass out. The quality of any institution is determined by the output. Today IIMs are doing great things because IIM students have performed. There is nothing to do with the infrastructure or the professors. It's alumni who build the organizations and the institutions. Understood? So, there is no question of AICT approval as far as our executive general management programs are concerned. In fact, it is a degrading thing to call here AICT. Understood?
But in the outside world, they may be looking at some stamping.
No, it is not required.
Generally,
Absolutely.
that's our
If they know your 1 year executive MBA means it's automatically taken for granted that you are doing an executive MBA. Even IIM is not AICTE approved.
They're not.
No.
They are autonomous.
Yeah, ASB, AICTE, no way. Don't come into it. So considering all that only we are doing this promotion. But what is special about our Prudent, I am telling you. Here we have the capacity to give you the classes with a classroom environment. Professors are selected by choice of the students, and exams are done in a very, very transparent way because we can afford, because our class strength will not be more than 15 to 20 at any point of time. This is a very, very costly course. Agree? But we can't, our initial agenda is to propel the quality concept here. That's why we are taking so much of care and attention, so that quality is the highest standard has to be maintained, and we can't dilute the quality, for which we need your cooperation. So this is the concept which I wanted to tell you. Finally, you understood the concept of this, and then our expert. Finally, there is something called grit. What is grit?
Courage, grit,
Perseverance.
perseverance.
I want all of you to maintain this grit for 1 year. Grit. GR. Right, grit. That means doing the monotonous things again and again. What is grit? Perseverance. What is that? Doing monotonously routine things. That means every day you should read 1 hour. Even if you have understood also, you should read 1 hour. In your timetable, 1 hour you should dedicate to read again and again and again. Agree? Grit. If you develop that grit, you will be developing that perseverance to hold on to your business idea. The business idea also should be grit, no? You can't just push away things. We need grit and tenacity. You will be building the tenacity when you come here, and every week, you will be like an exercise for you. It's an exercise, beautiful. Understood? You just cannot get it from the air. You have to do the person. So the main purpose of my using this time is that we have been meeting quite often. But I am preparing you for the capstone courses indirectly. And first 6 months, by the time you go through your dream company website or the next, you will be reading, you will be getting inputs to study the complex organization. Next 6 months, when you come to the advanced level, you will be able to relate whatever is taught here. You should be able to connect to your company. Then only you will get a full picture. And at the end of the year, by the time when you want to graduate, I want all of you to submit me one active business plan. So that right from name of the company to your financing options, so that at the end of the year you should be able to launch your company and dream company. Whether you do it or not is different, but we are objective. Are we clear about our next agenda? So, the picture is, whoever comes for the other subjects, no, he will be building you the bricks. He will be building you the bricks. Now you have to use the brick and build your own institution.
And so like exactly what next year do we have any time for it?
Next September we will be having the exit.
This currently this economics is part is for this week only we are.
No, it's continuous. No, he has supplied the demand. He is working
Yes.
on supply.
Yes.
He is working in demand. First in demand, then supply. He will be talking about markets, where these two meet. Substantially you take. See, there is no time limit for the professors here. They want to give you the best of the things. Okay, you ask him to revise, they will revise. No problem. I will ask him, you tell me anything you want, I will indirectly tell you the professor what they want. Okay, you want the problem to be solved, and ask him the problem to be solved. We are not in such a hurry because first 6 months is very important for this, because that's where our foundations are going to set. Tomorrow you are going to take up some Maruti car, correct? You should know how the automobile industry is moving, correct? Means it's economy, correct? Look at the economy, look at the finance, how many activities are happening. Yesterday, Modi was telling, make in India, make in India. There, our RBI chief says, make for India. So what is the difference between make in India and make for in India? You should be able to debate it.
I didn't see that TV for
Yeah.
So it was like.
He told. He gave an interview to some.
So this guy is.
We'll close it anyhow. So, fine. So, think about next week. I have got plenty of these things ready with me now. Next week, each of you is going to pick up one and keep it with you where you feel that no, you can attract the customer. Okay? 10 pieces are ready for each one of you. The task in front of you, marketing task, is now is to take and keep it in a place where you can attract one more person. That is a challenge for you. Clear? Think